don't know this or not, Benjamin Franklin proposed this original seal. Ours right now, of course, is the eagle with the olive branch and the arrows, right? E pluribus unum. But Benjamin Franklin thought that our original seal should be this. He thought that it should be this right here. And the original seal that he proposed was this saying, which is, rebellion to tyrants is obedience to God. Now you want to talk about an awesome national motto, right? Yeah, but then of course, we that's a little bit too edgy, right? That's a little too edgy. Benjamin Franklin didn't think so. But if you look at this scene right here, what you're going to look at, guys, is that you've got obviously a representation here. You've got obviously some horses and some soldiers and somebody waving a sword up here. And then you've got this water, and you got this river or this land. And over here you got these guys over here, and of course fire and cloud right here. What this is a depiction of, and why Benjamin Franklin chose it, is this is a depiction of the Exodus from Egypt, because the Israelites came out of Egypt. They crossed the Yom Suf, which is the Sea of Reeds. They came across there, and then of course this is the pillar of cloud and fire that surrounded Israel in the wilderness for 40 years. And of course this is the Egyptian army being drowned in the Red Sea. Now you may ask, why would Benjamin Franklin put a depiction of the Exodus on our proposed original seal? Because he made the connection. He said, just like the ancient Israelites, the people of America they're leaving tyranny, going out into the wilderness, and as long as they serve God and follow and do what he's supposed to say, we would be protected. That's why he wanted this original seal. And if you look at it at something like this, you can see that our founders weren't just these guys that just haphazardly came up with stuff. These were guys that knew things. At the end of the Constitutional Convention, Benjamin Franklin said, when a woman asked, what system of government have you given us? What form of government have you given us? He says, a republic, if you can keep it. And the whole statement is beautiful, but there's one word in there that's probably the most important one of the sentence. If. And that would be based on our will, our knowledge, our education, and gentlemen, our skill at arms. The sword kept the soul of Japan intact for 1,000 years. The rifle has kept the soul of America intact for a little bit over 240. We got a long way to go and a short time to get there. And my ancestors have fought for this country, many, many conflicts. Yours probably have as well, I'm sure. I'm sure many of you have fought, or at least served in LE or military, or you've done your part. But guys, I can tell you the strength of this nation is not the government. The strength of this nation isn't idiots babbling on TV. The strength of this nation is people just like you who have to go and influence people, be a light for others, be a light of courage and poise and discipline. Be that person that's a rock that can stand firm despite the ever-shifting sands of society. Society will dull your edge if you let it. But it's a beautiful life if you don't weaken. And I can tell you guys that you got to maintain this. Anchor yourself to principles that are eternal. That is natural law, natural rights. That will exist, have existed, when all the other empires have gone to the dustbin of history. We've retained our natural rights. And that should give you comfort.